Hello friends. So today I am giving you a demo on my this week project, uh, weekend project I would say that I have created in my spare time. So this is the CloudBench. Basically, if you see the CloudBench, so CloudBench, I will be giving you the demo, the live demo of the app, how the app is. So it is basically the cloud version of the Arduino, where the user can access my hardware on my bench at my address, so they can access my hardware uh, from any place around the globe, like whether it can be Germany or anywhere. So the simple demo site, the link that they have to follow is this. uh, if you can find it in the bottom. So the demo I am just recording, and the demo site is something like this. It will be asked, it should ask you the username and password, but for me it will not ask because I am already logged in as the uh, trainer or student. Let's check. So I have basically logged in as a teacher. So here, if you see, I have the feature of blocks, and I have the feature of Arduino as well. And whatever blocks I create here, save in XML. And if I want to save the session into my Pi, if I want to discuss about the how the hardware looks like for the classroom, like it is basically the solution is basically for the instructors teaching like 7 years, 8 years old, the robotics or Arduino or electronics, simple electronics using Arduino. So they can use this platform. And currently I have connected one Arduino with my Raspberry Pi, but the user can connect multiple as well. So the app that you are seeing here is basically it's the baby version of it. The baby version, with baby version I mean just the blow coding and Arduino, no code burning and all features. Just the basic of this is basically contributed by the blockade, so I have contributed to that, and I have customized it. I have added some more features so that it was the attempt to make the like a block coding, generating the code, what exactly the Tinkercad is doing basically. So they have done this kind of a work, but what I have done is I have taken it a step more, and I have interfaced the webcam with it using my Pi, and I have made it accessible live today to anyone around the world. They can contact me, they can DM me. And furthermore, I am basically thinking to create a similar IDE for not just for Arduino but for FPGAs, for my different TI boards and all. So so that I can basically make my my microcontrollers, my FPGA boards, and what all resources I have, even oscilloscopes, to the learner community who are actually learning robotics and all. So this is my intent of developing this software. And if I show you, so if you currently see here, so currently we are not blinking any LED here, but I will be giving you a demo where we will be blinking the LED on our Arduino. And over the time I will be unlocking each feature that we have here in this solution. So if you see here, if I want to glow an LED, it's an output device LED, and LED by default is in Arduino pin 13. So what I will be doing is I will be dragging it. So I have to make sure that it's highlighted, and I am having not the hand but an arrow. So this arrow I was having. So what I have done is I will be marking it as like high. Initially, it should be high, and you can see simultaneously the code is also basically getting developed for Arduino as well in C++ parallelly. So let's discard it. Whatever we have currently, we can discard it. I think maybe I will it require a refresh as well. So currently you can see I am just doing everything from refresh. I have just discarded all the things that I was having here. And I am first of all just picking my this block, and I have to make sure like while dragging, I will be showing you. First, let's set it to high, the digital pin, and I want a delay. So I can't drag it from here because it's showing me in the hand. I have to make sure in my like it should be highlighting and there should be an arrow. Then I can drag it. Uh, I will be doing it this, and I want to blink it after one thousand milliseconds or 1 seconds. I want to do it, so I will be duplicating it again, and I want to make it low, and then I want to make it I would say I will duplicate it again. So you can see my code is ready here as well. Currently my this led is not blinking, but when I will be burning this code, when I will be uploading this code, you will find like this led will be blinking after that. So I'm uploading my code. So here you can see now the led is blinking, this led is blinking here. And if I want to show you the console, like while building the like like if you see the speed of currently it is blinking at some speed. If I want to make the speed a little fast, so I can just make the delay. Instead of 1 second, I can make it half second, and I can just upload the code, and let's see what will happen. You can see like in this demo the code is burning, where the error is coming, everything we can just record from console. And we are communicating at a 9600 baud rate with it. So you can see now you can just find the improvement in speed. So similarly here as well, you can see we have updated our code to 500. If I set here, let's say 200, it will be little more faster, and I can just upload the code from cloud. Let's say I upload the code. I'm at, or you can also try yourself. You can just book a demo uh, on my site. Basically, here you can just book a demo, and we can sit together, and you can just run your first code on Arduino with me using this tool. If you are looking for basically your business or something, you can just do it here. Like you can basically now the teaching the robotics and all is become quite easy. Becomes easy with this tool, comparatively easy with this tool. So you can plug more Arduino as well. I have four USB ports in my Pi. One is reserved for cam. The another I have connected to my Arduino, and I am still left with my two other ports. I can utilize that as well. And if the company has that requirement where they want to basically run, let's say, four Arduino their with their cloud software, we can discuss. You can have a book or demo with me, and we can discuss the requirement, and we can basically enhance in that direction as well. Uh, and if you talk about the another feature that I am moving to discuss about is this chat feature. If you see this chat feature, so I am currently in the teacher portal. Similarly, we have the student portal as well. Uh, you can find it is a student portal. I will bring these two portals next to each other. So one side we have a teacher, side we have a student. So if I test it here, like let's say if I say over here hi, so the same message will come over here as well. You can talk to your student live, and if I say hello, the message will be going to the student hello. I also, there is a couple of more features as well. Let's switch to the features window. I can hide this console as well. I can hide this camera as well. I can hide this chat as well. I can hide everything. Okay. So we can do these things as well. Okay. With this. If there are slightly like a little bugs over here, but we can fix it anytime. And uh, if we talk about basically saving the session. Basically, I think we were having some code here, and let's say if we want to save the session, like test2, we can save it, and the session will be saved into the pi, not the basically the user user laptop, but it will be stored in the pi. If a user want to save in their system, they can use other options we will discuss. So test2 is something which we have saved it, and let's say I refreshed it. Let's say I show cam show. Let's reset now. Yeah, it's an issue basically. So if I keep this cam on, so I see this UI. If I hide them, I got this, like, they got eliminated. Let's say I discard it first, and I want to open it from my session. So I can just load my test2, and you will see my code is here, okay, with 200 delay. So I can also save the session into my Pi. Also, I can download the Arduino code as well into my system using this save Arduino button. And let's say I want to save it like test1. So I can save it in my INO file format. It will get saved to my downloads. You can see test1.ino. I can also, if you see, my whole block is basically getting saved in my backend using in XML. So I can save this XML also in my system. So there are so many options. We can load the XML, we can load, like we can do all these things. Apart from that, there is also the other options like if I look at the Arduino, let's say, and I want to install the library, like say liquid crystal library. So I can search the Arduino libraries here as well. Like let's say wire library I want to install. So I can search it over here, and I can search it whatever library I have. I can install it from this front end only, and I can enable it. And next time when I will be writing my code, my library will be recognized here in my code, and the- I am I'm good to go with burning my code. So there are so many functionalities that we have it here. I am not recalling any library. Let's see, I2C. I think Liquid Crystal already have that library within it. Let's say Adafruit, something like that. So you can see a couple of libraries that we got here. We can install it from here. It will straightly getting installed into my Pi, where my Arduino is connected. So remotely programming microcontroller is become far easy now. So like this, you can basically also, there is a feature of a setting as well. Let's say you have just change the port of your camera. At first place, it will automatically detect the camera itself, but if you want to manually detect it, you can detect it from here. Similarly, you can detect the Arduino port as well from here. So there are many options like that as well. You can reset your Arduino from this button. You can basically, I think you are good to go with all these features. And finally, after doing your work, you can simply log out from here, and you will be seeing your login screen as well. So with this, you can just log in again as a trainer, as a student. We can add even more functionality. We can have the functionality of sign up with Google, or if you want any kind of a contribution in this, I'm happy to contribute. So I am learning things, and I am basically imagining something scalable. So if any agency who is teaching, who is working in a cause of education or related things, they can DM me. They can connect me over LinkedIn as well. They can link me. They can connect me on TopMate as well. So they can check out my calendar and can connect me like that as well. And I'm so much active on Google Forms as well. They can also view my projects and go on my projects, and and book a consultation with me on request form, book a demo form. So I am available on my free hours.